Good morning class 4th students. How are you? Hope you all are fine and fit and healthy at homes. Very nice. Taking care of yourself and your family also. Very good. Okay now today we are going to start with another chapter in English 1. As you can see it's written here chapter number 8 and the name of the chapter is Rip Van Winkle. Okay? Rip Van Winkle. This is the name of a person in the story. The story is based on this person. Who was he? He was a very lazy person. He was a very lazy person and he was very fond of sleeping all the time. इसको सोना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. He always used to sleep. Because of this nature only, what happened with him? He slept for 20 years and when he woke up after 20 years, what happened with him? This is a suspense. When you will read the story, when you will see the chapter, when you will get the explanation and you'll come to know, then you will be surprised that what happened after 20 years when he woke up. क्या हुआ उसके साथ? So this is the chapter about Rip Van Winkle. Okay students. Rip Van Winkle lived in a small village in North America. He was a simple, kind-hearted man and was liked by everyone. Children loved him for the stories he used to tell. Rip Van Winkle lived in a small village in North America. In a village he lived in North America. He was a simple, kind-hearted man. Very kind-hearted. Kind-hearted means dayalu. Very kind, helpful, ready to help for everyone. And was liked by everyone. And everybody liked him because he was of nature that he used to help everyone. He never used to deny. If somebody asked for the help from him, he always was ready for the help. That is why he was liked by everyone. Children loved him for the stories he used to tell. And even the children of his village where he lived, the children there loved him so much because he used to tell them the stories. He used to tell them the stories. That is why the children also loved him very much. Rip's only flaw was that he was lazy and hated doing any work. Flaw means the weakness. He spent his time shooting, fishing or just dreaming. He used to do nothing, just shooting, fishing or dreaming. Rip's only flaw was that he was lazy. Lazy था वो बहुत. Lazy means the person who is not interested in doing any work. And hated doing any work. Hated means उसको बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था. He spent his time shooting, fishing or just dreaming. Dreaming means सपने देखना. See in the picture also he is doing the same thing. See the pose where he is sitting, it seems that he is dreaming. Okay, and he is fishing. See the rod and the string, it is for fishing he is using it. Rip's village was surrounded by the Catskill Mountains. People believed that these mountains had magical powers. Rip loved to take his gun and his dog and climb the mountains. On one such climb, he saw a peculiarly dressed old man. The man was trying to lift a barrel that was too big for him. Kind Rip offered him help. He lifted the barrel onto his own shoulders and followed the old man up the mountains. Rip's village was surrounded by the Catskill Mountain. The mountains around his village were Catskill. His whole village where he lived, गाँव जो था, it was all surrounded by चारों तरफ. Surrounded means in all the 4 directions. Catskill Mountains. The name of the mountains is Catskill. People believed that these mountains had magical powers, and the people of that village, they believed that the mountains had magical powers. Magical means जादुई ताकत थी उन mountains में कुछ था ऐसा. There was something magic in that. Rip loved to take his gun and his dog and climb the mountains. And Rip loved very much. He used to go to that mountains, climb the mountains with his gun in his hand and his dog along with him. On one such climb, he saw a peculiarly dressed old man. One day when he was climbing that mountain, he saw a peculiarly means very strange looking man. देखने में बहुत अजीब था वो. Dressed old man, he saw a peculiarly dressed, बड़े अजीब से कपड़े पहने हुए थे उसने. An old man, बूढ़ा आदमी. The man was trying to lift a barrel that was too big for him. Barrel means a type of container वुडन कंटेनर, लकड़ी का एक कंटेनर होता है पानी भरने वाला, ठीक है, उसको बैरल कहते हैं. दैट मैन वॉज कैरिंग, बट इट वॉज वेरी बिग फॉर हिम टू कैरी बिकॉज दैट मैन वॉज वेरी ओल्ड. Kind Rip offered him help. Then when Rip saw him, he offered him help. That, sir, can I help you? Because he was very kind. Dayalu tha, he always helped others. है ना? Yes. He lifted the barrel onto his own shoulders. Lifted means uthana. On his own shoulders, Rip carried. And followed the old man up the mountains. And started following the old man. Where the old man was going, he also started following him. पीछा करना उसका. After climbing for some time, the old man and Rip arrived at a level field. Rip saw 7 more old men dressed exactly like the first old man. They were playing a game. Without speaking a word, they took the barrel from him. The barrel contained some liquid. After climbing for some time, the old man and Rip arrived at a level field. After they climbed some time, the mountain they climbed, the old man and Rip arrived at a level field. Level field means at a proper level of the field. एक जगह पर आ गए थे, ज़मीन पर आ गए थे. माउंटेन के ऊपर चढ़ने के बाद they came to a level field. Rip saw 7 more old men. When he reached there along with that man, he saw there 7 more old men were there, dressed exactly like the first man, old man, and they all were wearing the same dress as the first one old man was wearing to whom he met. They were playing a game. They were playing some game. Without speaking a word, they took the barrel from him. And when they saw Rip carrying the barrel, they came and without speaking, without talking to him, they took the barrel from him. The barrel contained some liquid. उसके अंदर कुछ था, पानी था, कुछ liquid था. The old men filled their cups and drank from them. Then what did they do? The old men, the people, they filled their cups. उन्होंने अपने cups लिए and they filled them and they drank that liquid from the barrel. They then continued with their game. Then again they started, after drinking, they started again their game which they were playing. Rip too was feeling thirsty. Now Rip was also feeling thirsty by seeing them because he came up with that man, climbed up, and he felt thirsty. He helped himself to a drink from the barrel and took a sip. Nobody offered him water. Nobody offered him that liquid which was inside the barrel. He himself took a drink from the barrel and took a sip. He himself filled the cup and took a sip. Sip means घूट पीना. पानी करते पीते ना, एक एक घूट करके पीते हैं, the sip. It tasted wonderful. That liquid was very wonderful, very tasty. He kept filling his cup and drinking from it. It was so tasty that he wanted to have more and more. So he kept filling his cup and drinking from it. Soon he began to feel drowsy and he fell asleep. After drinking that water, he began to feel drowsy. Drowsy means feeling sleepy. नींद आनी शुरू हो गई उसको. His eyes started getting shut. आंखें बंद होनी शुरू हो गई, उसको नींद आनी शुरू हो गई, नशा हो गया उसको. And he fell asleep. और वो सो गया पानी पीने के बाद. There was something in that liquid which made him slept.